Hey boy, get up. Boy, no, you me say get up.
Get up for, alright, no suit my man.
Get up. The cash pot ticket then.
What is?
Eh?
I'm not telling you no
Boy, cash pot. Hey boy, cash pot ticket. You think I joke me I make?
I'm not telling you no cash pot ticket, brother.
Boy.
Maggy.
Remember now, no. Like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend, say Maggy Films that entertain people to the fullest.
Yo, give thanks and praise for life, health and strength. Turbulence the future, we have to endorse with Maggy Films. You hear me now, man? I could have been one of the most notorious. Keep watching. Go pang!
I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience keeps you calling me back every time. Your body's feeling, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others, it's our chemistry. You're too close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, so get ready. Let me focus on your back. Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Oh, is your face, I'm pushing fate. Round up, screens make the scenes. Hold up, what you doing to me? Slow as a pace, keep it steady. Breathe in, feel it now, baby, it's heavy. Switch, hit the flip, hold up, what you doing to me? We get it right every time. Plays out better than what's on my mind.
One juice. Wally man. Wally man, I say things that far where I come from, you know, man.
You sure about this?
I mean 100%, man.
Alright, much appreciated.
That's what I heard, man.
Thank you very
Link
much.
up, you see?
Yeah,
No
man. Alright.
question. I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience keeps you calling me back every time.
Renee, come here. I ask you one question, you know, cause where they? Girl, you can't sit on my bed.
No.
No, stop it. I need to talk to you. Nobody with the attitude.
This girl just come on me and complain.
Let me ask you a question. No. I need an argument. You know, I come over here to ask you 2 questions. What's Stefan there?
Oh, me never know.
When you want Stefan there run up on the court, back and forth for. Look how me see Stefan live good. And what happened? Me and your friend they would have called me and say, yo Kim, this and XYZ are nothing. We all see man pan road. Where do Stefan?
What make me have to do Stefan something?
Because obviously because Stefan is not here. Where's Stefan? Stefan a good youth and you're a good girl. So it won't be just perfect together. So what happened?
And everything glitter gold. Here, learn that. It's not everything where you see look all diamond and shiny. I saw you go for true.
I understand that here. But yeah, Stefan and how much years? 6 months.
You have people, listen what me I tell you. You have people where they feel 40 years, 50 years, 60 years and they end up life, right?
That I know you and that I know Stefan. Stefan a good youth. Me no see what Stefan. To tell you the truth, I want all abandoned building missing. You know na London we don't say want all abandoned buildings we done there over there Mrs. Stefan a go back and forth like over there must sleep.
So what have to do with me? Me and him left for a reason. Listen what me I say. Me and him left so for him business and not my business no more.
Me ask you with Stefan car already. Where car there? So how come you have him not there and you have the man car?
Listen, a judge said me if sell the car and the judge tell me to take the car and sell it. And then the money, me split it half and half for him. Right now, I not even know whether the money there, you know, I just blow up so.
So the judge tell us to sell the car. And you sell the car and give the man for your money? Why, yo boy, the man judge are not easy, you know. As no, me can't see. So some man out there face if it's true, you know.
Where my face? What me do him?
Because then the man, the man buy us so, the man build this here, and the man take you out. Even though the man split, the man have a good on the land. So why do you have to take the man care too? And me, the judge. Renee, you could have, if you and Stefan leave, you could have leave without taking a court. The man love you. Look how Stefan take care of you.
Ale, you don't understand what I want.
No, listen to me. Yeah, Stefan, you know a match made in heaven. You understand me? I say, it was perfect, it was so.
Kim, you come to look for me, or you come to chat about Stefan where I see him after last year. You hear me I tell you? Listen what me I say. Kim, Stefan and Sprat, a bigger fish me have a fry right now. You hear me I tell you?
Yeah, try to tell me so my best friend is a gold digger.
My phone ring. Hi babe. What's up? No, me there. Wow. When you say you send 200,000 to my account? Alright, I'm gonna check it. Alright. Love you. Alright, later. You see you now? Listen what me I tell you. You see if you want Stefan, you better go pick him up off of the road and there with him and fix him up. Or if you don't want there with him, fix him up. Stefan, alright. You get what me I say? And my doctor man, this just call me. And I know Dr. Jamaica oversees my thing there. You get what me I say?
Yeah, me get say a gold digger.
Me's no gold digger, but me not
say you there with Stefan when Stefan have money. I know Stefan depend on your face a job Stefan and gone to doctor. Yeah, gold digger, listen to me, I got my yard, me done with this.
Me say all if you did understand what me and go through. Yo, who feels it knows it.
There's no question. I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience keeps you calling me back every time. Your body's beating, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others, it's our chemistry. You're too close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, so get ready. Let me focus on your babe. Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Bottom, oh, is your face, I'm pushing fate. Round up, screens make the scenes. Hold up, what you doing to me? Slow as a pace, keep it steady. Breathe in, feel it now, baby, it's heavy. Switch, hit the flip, hold up, what you doing to me? We get it right every time. Plays out better than what's on my mind. We could blame it on the signs, but the stars have no say in our vibe. An audience best believe, standing ovation. No, they won't hit it, not like me. That's a sensation. I'm real close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, I'm not ready. Let me focus on you, babe. Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Bottom, oh, is your face, I'm pushing fade. Round up, screams make the scenes. Hold up, what you doing to me? Oh, slow as a pace, keep it steady. Breathe in, feel it now, baby, it's heavy. Switch, hit the flip, hold up, what you doing to me? We get it right every time. Plays out better than what's on our mind. We could blame it on the signs, but the stars have no say in our vibe. An audience best believe, standing ovation. No, they won't hit it, not like me. That's a sensation. I'm real close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, I'm not ready. Let me focus on you, babe. Switch, hit the
Wait. Wait. That's a good. Just something.
My grandson. My grandson. Don't be afraid. Remember, I'm your grandmother. And I'm here to make your life be better very soon. Don't be afraid. I will not harm you. And I won't. And I will not harm you. I'm not here to do you anything bad. I'm here to take you out of this life. This life is not for you. It does not suit you. I know you're a better person than this. Whosoever let you live in this life, I will punish them if you want me to. But listen to me, my grandson. I am going to give you the lotto number. And I want you to remember all the digits. I am going to give you 6. Make sure you put it in your phone now, so you don't forget the number. I said 6. And I'm only going to give you one number 3 times. I said 6. 18, 25, 34. I said 18, 25, 34. And I will give you another one, because that girl that you have, she's using her head on you. You're going to put number 12. Yes. And the last one, you're going to put 36. That is her mother. She's an old woman giving problem, and she's the cause of all this problem in your life. I want you to listen to me carefully and use number 6 as your bonus ball. My grandson, don't be afraid. You hear me? I am your grandmother, and I'm here to take you out of poverty and negativity. You're not like this. You're a very educated boy. I know good woman is out there in the world who will love you and cherish you. Do not sit down and fret and stress out and get mad over one woman and her mother. I wish you all the best in life, my grandson.
So I wonder if the number the right number though. How again? Six ones again. What's this again? 6, 18, 25. What again, man? 34, 12, 36. I buy them now. I buy the number then. No.
Breathe in, feel it now, baby, it's heavy. Switch, hit the flip, hold This can only mean one thing. That my love might begin to believe again. It's only for you. Only for you. Only for you. It's only for you. It's only for you. Only for you. Only for you. Only for you. Kind of funny, crazy madness that keeps me up at night. Just thinking of you makes me nervous. Like there's only you and I. You're the clarity I find when the clouds fill up the sky. I don't wanna miss a piece of you. When I'm with you, I can never lose. This can only mean one thing. That my love might begin to believe again. It's only for you. Only for you.
21, number 2, 20 and 29.
31.
Yeah, 21. 21, 31, 21. Number 2, 20 and 29. 50-50.
You can get a lot of tickets to buy, please, miss?
Yeah, man, sure.
Alright, tell me 6, 18, 25,
Yeah, man.
34, 12, 36.
Yeah. $100.
$100. $500 me up.
Alright. Alright, here's your shit.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, you're welcome.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, what, Miss Princess?
What go on, my son?
Me there. You alright?
Yeah, man, me alright.
Me there. Me too, me not have no radio.
Yeah.
One you want play for cash pot, you know? No, a lotto.
Lotto.
You don't know what play yesterday?
No, sir, you know, so my radio broke down.
Ah, boy. More know what play, man.
Can you buy?
Yeah, me buy.
Okay.
Buy one number.
That's good,
I
man.
first never buy a lotto still, you know?
Eh? Boy, I'm that glad if you win, you know. 5 times hard, you know, virgin.
Yeah, man, so I number them I want, you know?
Yeah. But wait, how you look so?
Oh,
The bank you used to work, so you're there on street again. How you look so?
I never been on the street before.
The bank me know you used to work.
Yeah, man, but certain little things happen, you know.
Oh.
Certain little
Wait,
things
we
happen,
can't,
man.
we want to check, we can check about the number them for you still.
Alright, do that for me then, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright?
Yes, man. Me have a ticket. You want the ticket to look off?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright, me hold the ticket. Just tell me the number them I play, yeah?
Yeah. Alright, 618
Yeah?
2534 1236.
Hold on. Me sweet, you sure saw that? You sure saw that number there?
Yeah, man. Me have 618.
Yeah. Hold on. You sure saw that? Call him again.
Yeah, alright. Let me tell you again.
Me ain't answer good. Hold on, tell me again.
Alright, 6
Yeah?
1
Yeah?
8 2 5 3 4 1 2 3 6. I played last night.
Hold on. You sure?
Yes.
Look on this. Look on this. I see him thing me have it. Look on me sir. Tell me, what I win. I win a lot of win.
Blues and skirt. You win a lot of my youth. Yes.
No, hold on, I win a lot of too.
Yes. Yes, my youth. Yes. Clear.
Yo, me got clear.
Yes.
Me can't believe. Hold on. I really know them I played last night.
Yes, man.
No.
Yeah, man.
But me sweet. Me sweet.
Yes.
Me have to go buy your drinks. Me have to buy your drinks, me sweet. Can't believe.
You gone clear.
How much million is that? How much million we have in now?
1 million, my youth.
Yo!
Yes.
Hold on. I can't believe this.
Yeah, man.
Me sweet. Don't tell nobody now.
No, man. Me not do that.
Lay low.
Yes.
This,
man.
I gotta make sure say me keep it locked.
You try not lose that ticket there now, my youth. It's just dead now.
I can't believe someone like that.
Yes, man.
Me sweet. Feel me. Me live. Hold on. I mean this.
Yes, my youth.
I can't this, I'm sweet.
Come round that to you, my
Come on, that's I'm sweet. No, sir. I mean this.
round that to you, my youth.
Hold on. Listen.
Yes,
Me
man.
really with it. Look
Yes.
for the good. I know about them now.
Yeah.
Me sweet, not tell nobody, you know. Me sweet. Me go up on the road.
Yes, man.
You know somebody hungry a while ago. I'm not hungry again.
Not true.
Me sweet, you know say. Got it.
Try a man.
Me gonna tell you something about
nothing done.
You know say, me lose my house.
Oh, God.
Me lay the car, me a coat and take away house from me, everything. And right now, me start up my life now.
Yes. You ain't get no children.
No. She did tell me say she's pregnant, but she never pregnant.
She lose it.
No, she never
she
pregnant.
never pregnant.
But right now, me go buy a house, me go buy a car, get back myself on track. Me go buy her
I
something.
bet you she'll go on your back.
No, she done left me already. She not go on me back. But anyway,
And you're in here, this is no money, you know. And you're in here, so you're
that's why me I tell you, say,
want your back.
that's why me say,
No, me not tell nobody.
me I get like 1 month.
Yes.
Then we go. Me and you can go to town go collect the money. Me and you.
Boom.
We are going to rent a car together.
Yeah, man.
And we go to town, right?
No problem.
Yeah, man. So,
Yeah.
later on,
Yes, my youth. Good.
me I hold it close,
Yes, man.
right?
Yeah.
Later, you know.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Yeah.
Yes. My God.
Yeah, man, you can buy a nice car now, man. and set up himself. That's very good. Yeah, man, me likes when young people lick me such in, man. Kind to teeth. Good, man, that's good. Yes, man. Me happy. Yes, man. Me like that. Me love when they lick me such in, man. Look for me boy, man.
On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies waiting, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 golden birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree, and a partridge in a pear tree.
Miss Sweet.
Yeah?
Oh, go on, you know, box drink.
Yeah, man, me a box drinks.
Give me one a little roll on them.
Alright, me a come.
Be a sniff, man.
Oh, with that me have, you know what happened like a while. Miss Junie's son come here and win the lotto.
When you used to work a bank?
Yes. Me say me happy for him, you see, man. Me happy for him so much. Me I tell you, my youth, me happy for him, man.
What you tell me, because me and him used to play ball. You must give me something. I say nothing, yeah?
No, they say me tell you, do you know?
No, man.
Alright.
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 Bahrain, Jesus.
We should call my phone. What's up, girl? No, he wasn't my son-in-law no more. No, sir. The boy in a losing job. A nice, good job, the boy losing job. Yeah. What? I lie you tell. You win the lotto? Oh, what you want to do, sir? Look at my daughter now, you know, because she not say nothing to me. Anyhow, me not care. Me not interested. Me not care if you win the lotto. Me not business a fame problem. Me know. Yeah, me know. Me know about that long time. Yeah. Yeah, me there, but the boy me not window for making losing job, brother. But the boy losing good job. Maybe I not not true, yeah. Maybe nothing win no lotto, but can't want about my daughter. All right, we'll talk. All right, later. Bye. Shoot, the phone ring and me not even realize. Hello? Yeah, master just called me a while ago and tell me. But it look like it's serious and really true then. Because if you hear about it and master hear about it, then that mean not true. Because me not say nothing, because I just rumor because he want about my daughter. You know what I mean? No, I'm still not interested. No, I'm not interested. He's not my son-in-law no more. The bigger boy now have no sense, man. He not such a good position for the job and losing job. No. Okay. All right. Yeah. Look like a really true. Yeah. A true. Because if you hear and as me say as master here, because a master call me and tell me. Yeah. All right. All right, we'll talk. Later, yeah? And thank you for calling. But I'm not interested in that. No. And my daughter don't want him back either. Into workplace. Nice job and the man losing good job. Yeah. Okay. All right, bye. Why you got really true? 2 people call me now.
Sunlight dances on the balcony as I wait for thee to come home. I fumble my words, yeah, my mind's a mess when you're in that dress. Glad you're home. Will you stay with me and never leave? You walked into my life and I am glad you came, glad you came. When you're not around I feel broken, glad you came, glad you came.
Wagwan.
Wagwan, man.
Yeah, man. Thing good.
Yeah, man, me there, man. I take it easy, you know.
Can't give me a money.
Eh?
Can't give me a money.
No, I have no money, and I see me lose my home and everything, man. And I street me live. I have no money, me not work a bank again, you know.
Okay. You see how the back them is face, you know them really. Oh, you see how the back them. Circle, man. So you know, try to look at house and then something.
I try, yes. I try, man. But, you know, the thing tough, you know. Because I remember I used to be in the banking system. Some little thing when go on with me and lose my house, you know. You know, some little family matter thing. Yeah.
I understand, man.
But I'm without a home and still I make myself happy. You know?
Yo, cap off 5 phones now, man.
What do you mean?
Well, boy, me. You see, you win cash pack better. I have money pack, right? You have money, daddy. So you like, never 10 grand, daddy.
Yes, I'm win cash pot.
I mean, you say you win cash pot, Dan.
Then if I win cash pot, yes.
Yeah, so give me your money now.
We win the cash pot and that done already. That's 3 bills.
That done already. $300 US.
No, man.
$300. You see, you're not dangerous, you know you would.
No, look here.
You win a lot, you win $300.
Hold on. You say I win cash pot. I don't win no lotto, I win cash pot.
Lotto, me say you win, bro. Which cash pot? Lotto.
So hold on, even me win a lotto. What that have to do with you? I don't win no lotto.
Me a bridging better, you know, just give me a 10 grand and I'm going better and I'll hold the money that you would.
Me I never know bridging, me just know you. Me say, yeah, Miss Dan, son.
I forgot that far.
No, but alright, we come from one community.
I win a lotto.
I know you. I don't win no lotto. Who tell them something, bridging?
Thing good, man. I say it.
Me could have win lotto on the right. That's what my things them look. See me things them. I'm close them and everything in this.
Yeah, game that you go play. Catch you
no,
brother. Call long for you now.
Bridging, me I never know Bridging. I'm Miss Dan, son. So me know you find our community, Bridging.
That's how it reach.
No, but I just say reach. You never start.
Like you don't know me then.
No, I know your friend I come to me now go around the bridge.
So you know bust out and run something, daddy.
But me no win no money, brother.
You see people like you in a scheme, I want to get bust out of the youth. But me a lawyer, man. Everything good, man. You know what I'm saying, man? Everything good, man.
There's no question. I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience. Keeps you calling me back every time. Your body's beating, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others, it's our chemistry. You're too close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, so get ready. Let me focus on you, babe. Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Oh, is your face, I'm pushing fate. Round up, screams make the scenes. Hold up, what you doing to me? Slow is the pace, keep it steady. Breathe in, feel it now, baby, it's heavy. Switch, hit the flip, hold up, what you doing to me? We get it right every time. Plays out better than what's on my mind. We could blame it on the sign.
My baby, come over here like no. Me have some good news. It's sweet. You have to come now. You want me to come check you or you will come now?
Me go come check.
Please don't stay, not even stay 5 minutes in the house. Run out of the house now like a mad rotted woman just released from Bellevue. Come now. Alright?
I me a come.
Alright. May I wait on you? Boy, this news is sweet, man. This is good. I like this. Damn. Wonderful. This is good. Sweeter than honey.
There's no question. I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience. Keeps you calling me back every time. Your body's beating, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others, it's our chemistry. You're too close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, so get ready. Let me focus on you, babe. Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Oh, is your face, I'm pushing fate. Round up, screams make the scenes. Hold up, what you doing to me? Slow is the pace, keep it steady. Breathe in.
Oh my God, she come. Jesus, me can't sit down for telling her.
Mommy, why happened?
Girl, hug your mother. Hug your mother. You hit the jackpot, girl. Me say you hit the jackpot. Woo! Did it, oh, you did it. Child,
Mommy, what you talk about?
grab one chair. Grab one chair, come sit inside your mama. Listen. You know my friend Marcia.
What about Marcia? What Marcia have to do with
You
me?
gotta ask if you remember Marcia. After
Yeah.
so long, you know, sir. Marcia called me not too long. Marcia said to me, say, oh, is your son-in-law? So I said, no, that the boy don't my son-in-law no more. No, your mommy daughter mash up long time. So she said, you know, hear the good news. I say, no, what good news? She said, win the lotto. Me say, what? She said, yes, sir. Me say, well, me not really interested. You know what I mean? Me not interested for you saying win lotto. Me not interested in that. 2 minutes later, child, after, really, you know, me never believe. I said, sure, maybe I just rumor. 2 minutes after Janet. You know, Janet in a church. Janet an evangelist. Janet not gonna lie, I'm afraid my God strike him. They not gonna lie. Janet called me, she said, girl, guess what happened? Me say your son-in-law win 1 million, over 40 million. Me say, really true? Then because me just talked to Marcia a while ago. She said, yes, that's true. So me say, okay, but me say, still we're not really interested. But me say, I want it for rumor. She said, no, girl, I'm a rumor. That's when me call her. Listen me, you have to take him back. Listen, me no know how you gonna do it. Me no, but you have to take him back. You have to take him back.
Mommy.
What wrong with you?
Mommy, I decided.
Wait a minute. You know see dollars. You know see dollar sign. You know see dollar sign. Dollar sign. Dollar sign. You know see them. Eh? We're gonna live happy until God take away. What wrong with you?
Mommy, this is good news. I really calm me out of me house. Me no call me rain and fall and me not tell me have to take up umbrella. But listen what me and say now, mommy. Big woman thing. Listen what me and say now.
You know see it have good news?
No, listen what me and say. A good news and me happy feel from the bottom of my heart. But listen, me and the doctor man are going so good.
Which doctor man? What wrong with you? The doctor man can't walk in a Stefan shoes. What wrong with you? He cannot walk in a Stefan shoes. That me I try to make you open your ear and see what go on. We're going to alright for the rest of our life. If we're going to live 50 more years, we're going to live good and happy. Come on, girl. What wrong with you?
So what you trying to tell me, say?
Go back to him. You have to go back to him.
Can't do that.
Listen.
Me can't do that.
Hey, me no care what you want to say. As long as me I open, you have to take back Stefan. Take him back. The doctor man, put him on pause.
Mommy.
Put him on pause.
Mommy, listen what me I say. Just listen to me good. Me and the doctor man, alright. Everything I go so good.
Keeps you calling me back every time. Your body's beating, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others, it's our chemistry. You're too close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, so get ready. Let me focus on you, babe. Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Oh, here's your face, I'm pushing fate. Wound up, screams make the scenes. Hold up, what you doing to me? Slow is the pace, keep it steady. Breathe in, feel it now, baby, it's heavy. Switch, hit the flip, hold up, what you doing to me? We get it right every time. Plays out better than what's on my mind. We could blame it on the signs, but the stars have no say in our vibe. An audience best believe, standing ovation. No, they won't hit it, not like me. That's the
Me and the doctor man good, mommy. You understand what me I say?
No, me no understand.
Problem not in our relationship.
Me not understand. Because I look on how you got happy and the big mansion in St. Elizabeth and the Gucci and the Fender and the Eagle and the this and the that. A pay name brand.
Mommy, that's all you think about, don't.
But don't you want to be
You
happy?
not think about my happiness,
Listen,
mommy.
your father never treat me good and you suffer. Me no want you can suffer like me. Your father kick me to the curve.
Mommy, me look like me and suffer to you?
No, me not say you really a suffer because you have your little money and you think I want for you, but still.
Mommy, me can ask you one serious question.
Ask me anything you want, ask me, you still I go take him back. Where you go say you take him back?
Where you really want from me, mommy?
I want you to be happy.
Stefan, you tell me all kind of things. The way me love you. Me love you till me fool. Me will do anything for you. When me say anything, me mean anything,
So
mommy.
me no love you.
And it come like you use that as an advantage, mommy.
Me no love you. Me no love you. Eh? Me no give you love all the time. As big as it is, me still love you. What's wrong with you?
Alright, where you really call me over here from? When we get down to the bottom of this.
Tell you, say you have to take back Stefan, and no matter what you do, you got to take back Stefan. You have to take him back in your life. Listen, you know what you got to tell the doctor man, say? Tell him, say, me not feel good, and you have to come over and take care of me for a week. And you have to call back Stefan and make Stefan come over here, and you and Stefan talk, and you sweet him up and love him up. Buy him some balloon, some pretty balloon. Buy him candy. Tell him how much you miss him, how you love him, how you always think about good times you guys used to have. Me not get that from your father, you know. Since because me not get that, me want you forget that as my pitness, so me I deal with. Me want you to be happy. Me not say the doctor man now treat you good, but right now you can't walk in a Stefan's shoes. If you put him foot in a Stefan's shoes, you take a body him like when you have corn on your foot. You're not happy. Because money me look and say you're going to be alright. You know, if you put it on your jaw and say, Lord God, how will this come from? You talk about day, and are you in control? What's wrong with you? Call him. Call him. Sweet him up. Remind him of the good time when you give him a little massage and him coming tired after he work so hard and stuff like that. You massage him and you do all in two of them feel and all them little things.
Alright, mommy, alright. When me for call him?
Like now.
Right now?
Yes, ma'am.
Mommy, I'm prepared for this.
That's alright. Me there for straighten you. But when you come, me go no privacy if you want. Me go in the kitchen, go find something in the door. You understand me? And so Yanni can't talk, but you gotta call him. No, like now.
Why, mommy?
Do it, call him.
Keeps you calling me back every time. Your body's beating, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others, it's our chemistry. You're too close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, so get ready.
Well, me never get me when you get all right. The whole 9 yard me when you forget.
You just ring out to voicemail.
Voicemail? When you see you keep on a call him, you know something important you will call about. Try it again. Call him back again. Call him.
May I try one last time?
Yeah, because when him see you call like that, him know say it's important, I'm going to return your call. Him probably busy, yes, but call him. If you have to be a bug, news bug, and keep on a bug him backside. Me want him back there, so.
See, then decline the call.
Give him 2 more minutes.
Mommy, here, when me reach home, me will call him. Because right now, doctor man, me gonna carry something to give. So, me can't stay here so all day for you call Stefan right now.
You what now? Me not go to bed tonight till me hear back from you. So make sure say you call him, and when you get him, you let me know what's going on.
Mommy?
Listen, hold on 1 second. I'm gonna make you say what you have to say now. But you what? If you not get back Stefan over here, don't call me mother, no call me mommy, no call me mama, no call me nothing at all, not even auntie, no call me nothing. Me don't know you. If you not get back Stefan, yes, you not feel your life. Me don't know you. As me say, no call me mama, no call me auntie, no call me mommy, and no call me mama.
Mommy, me just tell us me I'll call him, man.
Well,
Me call him.
Alright, me wait
but
for
me
you.
I go drop off something. I'm a doctor, man.
Me not too worried about the doctor, because I'm not interested in him.
Hey, doctor, man, I feed you all long now, do
Yeah, but we need more.
I'm grateful, like. Me call you later.
Me not care what you want to say. Your papa never give me all of that, and me want all of that for you. You must be happy all the time. Go long. You all idiots, you. Me know wrong with her, you know? No damn sense.
Let me focus on you, babe. Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Bottom, oh, is your face, I'm pushing fate. Wound up, screams, make the scenes, hold up.
You know, I'm matter of fact, you know, let me call and tell her me calling, because it seemed like me a show her points. She not see points, she see the end. She not see what me a talk about. So, just stress me out. Yeah, alright, you want no? Nobody call him. Let me call him. Because when he see my number, him not going to decline it. You understand? It's because you are in an eruption right now on the left. Him see your number, him a try to ignore you. And I'm still upset. You see what I deal with? So let me do the calling. Nobody yourself. Let me do the calling. Because you look like you not see what I say. Alright, later. Come off from my phone. Please, get off from my phone, man. Yeah, bye. Stefan?
How you doing?
Me good, you know. Me good, man. Me good. Me not complain at all. But you want no?
This is your name, Daddy?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's me.
What go on?
Me good. No complain, man.
That's true.
Yeah. But me not really too. I know. But me not feel 200, you know. Yeah, my daughter break up and, you know, me kind of feel bad about the idea, you know, whatever go down between the both here, which I don't know, because you don't tell me nothing, you don't tell me anything. But me love to see you, know, so we can talk.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, man, me love to see you, man, so we can do a little chit chat.
But, you know, we're going to pass up the way they still a few. But, you know, make you one check, I'm going to hold no grudge, you know. You understand? You never do me nothing. I really, you know, change up for me, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, come true, man. Come true. Me that love to say so we can come. Me nah sleep good at night. Me that hot me think I use a good son-in-law. You know, make me really in need enough nothing me always have. You understand?
Oh my God.
Yes.
You know?
Yeah.
Remember all of those, you know?
So when you have good things, you don't want to lose it.
So, why, you know, something, all of that things, you know, why, 2 million years for you and thing, that's why, you know.
No, man, me no mad with you, man.
Really, you called me earlier, but me not answer, to be truthful.
Why?
I don't know why it's that on.
No, man, Renee miss your bad, man. Renee miss your bad. She tell me, you know, me and she reason one-on-one, and she tell me that she miss you, man. She remember all the good times you guys used to have, and you used to go on vacation, go Australia, all them place there.
Really?
Yeah. She talk about it, man. She miss you, man.
I don't believe her. She told me that check with my house, everything for me.
Boy, I don't know what really went down, though. Honestly. She not tell me.
Well, I took back a sudden turn again. It's like life took a sudden turn, previously, and it took a sudden turn again, and now, you know, me see some light now, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, me see a way now.
Okay,
you know,
me happy for you, man.
And trust me, me feel good about what happened, you know?
Me happy for you, man. Me happy. So things much better than before. It's stronger than before.
Yeah, man. I am homeless now, but things are going to be alright in a few, you know?
They said today for me and tomorrow for you. And they say after a storm, you got to be a calm.
Yeah, true.
I'm happy for you, man. Believe me, there's a joy, you know, inside of me for you. So, I really want you to come over. Because me not sleep too good at night, you know.
Okay.
I miss you because you're a good son-in-law. I don't think really I'm going to find another husband like you. No, son, I find nobody else like you. No. You work hard and you take care of her.
When I go to the road, I stop by and say hi, you know?
Please do. Alright, me sitting up on the veranda, wait.
Yes, man.
Alright, yeah, man, in a little while. Okay.
Yeah.
Focus on your back. Switch, hit the flip. I'm in control. Bottom. Oh, is your face. I'm pushing fate. Round up. Screams make the scenes. Hold up. What you doing to me? Slow is the pace. Keep it steady. Breathe in. Feel it now, baby. It's heavy. Switch, hit the flip. Hold up. What you doing to me? We get it right every time. Plays out better than what's on my mind. We could blame it on the signs, but the stars have no say in our
How
Oh, Stefan.
Boy, I'm there, man.
Wow, it's so nice to see you. Yeah, man, yeah, man, what I see now? Take a look. Me there now.
That's all.
Yeah, me there, man. Sit down, man. Take a load off.
That's all.
Yeah, it's so good to see you. I say, boy. So you.
Well, go on.
Me there now.
That's all.
It's a good while, you know. How long now?
A good time, man. Me not even... Good time. Months. Well, per months.
But listen.
Yes.
I'm going to let you in for one little secret. She miss your body, you know.
She miss me?
Yeah, man. She miss you, man. Think about it all the time.
Boy, I'm not feel so at all, Mama Joy.
No, I don't know what really went down with between the two, you know. But me I tell her, she talk about it all the time because she say, are the best she ever have. You take care of her and you take care of me as her mother. And when you can't take care of your mother-in-law, it's good. You understand me? She miss you, man. Because she tell me she call you. I just never want to tell you, but she tell me she call you.
If she call me, what me answer?
Why you ignore the call?
Why, Mama Joy, I your daughter, but we did take care of her, you know, man. And
I know that. You don't need to tell me, I know I'm my pitney.
yeah, but me not see reason for that, like, you know, you have to carry me to the court and put me out of the house, sell my car. Even my car, she said, the judge said, she should have given me half of the money, you know.
And she didn't?
Oh, I'm not get $1. But you see, God is awesome. Right now, I should not be one of the saddest man ever. Cause my homeless, you know. So me close them here.
That's how she left you with?
Yeah, I want to bag with my sheet and something them. And you know, run on the old abandoned building, around a center there. Around them I live from them time for a couple of months. And it's like something happened. And my life right now it might not look like it changed, but in my brain, I am very happy. I am so happy.
You know something?
Yes.
You know so all these things we are telling me, half of it I don't know. She not tell me, you know?
Seriously?
You know some me and she close and we can't sit and talk about anything as like, you know, as mother and daughter. I don't know about it, you know? She not tell me.
Serious? So on.
I wouldn't like
she
you.
She not tell us we went to the court. And
no, sir.
And she take out the house from me?
No, sir, she not tell me. And then the things that she hide from me, and she have a reason why she hide it from. Because you know, say me know as a mother go tell her if she wrong, she can't do that.
Yes.
She have to give you half. If I 80, you get 40, she get 40. You understand me? She don't tell me nothing. Me don't know nothing.
You know what? Listen to me, Mama Jai. This is so surprising to me. Trust me. Yeah. Because I thought you knew.
You know, as a mother, I wouldn't lie to you. Me now go see my daughter do something bad to her. Another woman pitney and don't tell her say she wrong.
So hold on.
Me not raise her like that.
Renee is, you know, raise her like that for you know. Because, you see, me just know say something wrong, you know.
Yeah.
Renee guilty, you know. And that's why she not tell you.
Oh.
That's why because all along I thought you knew.
No, not tell me nothing. So me I wonder why the back and forth and the little, you know, ups and downs. Me not understand because she not tell me
so
nothing.
how much months now you know hear from me and something. She only tell us how we'll just break up just like that?
Yeah. So me feel say no, we not take a little break and then we not go talk it back over.
My job to be close them here.
Jesus Christ. No man,
Renee
wicked man. Renee wicked, I'm a pitney but of the truth. Renee wicked! Oh, Renee can do that to somebody boy pitney.
I cardboard me sleep and put so long.
Renee wicked man,
but look here, God is good because right now, Mama Jai, I'm gonna tell you something. Look here, you are my mother-in-law and I still classify you as a good woman. Right? I'm gonna tell you God's truth. You know, say, I win the latter. You know, say,
Bingo!
Let me show
Bingo!
Let me show you the ticket. Hold on a minute.
Bingo!
I put it up so good. Yes, I win the latter. I don't want
You mean the last draw we gone you did that dear?
Yes.
Me mother, father, brother. You can't find it?
No, see it here, man.
Oh, come here, say Lord God, not tell me say last it now.
No, we can't last this.
Oh.
Here, hey, I would rather all of these to be last. See it here?
What?
All of the number them.
Come out.
All of the numbers. All of them.
My God, man. Are your time. Are your time. Yeah, man, are your time, man. Are your time.
My God.
Yeah.
Hey, but...
No going back.
No going back.
No going back.
But look here. I'm going to make you get a little thing, you know.
Well, man, sound good.
But...
Sound good.
I don't think me and Renee go back.
Me want you not to go back. I don't me call you over here.
I don't make you call me?
Me have to tell the truth. Me confess.
So hold on. Say the year some win later?
No.
Oh.
No, man, me not hear nothing.
Okay.
But me say, me know say you is a good man. And any man you say take care of him wife, mother, is a good man. And that me a look upon. No matter how small it is, every week you make me get me little dividend.
I tell you, man.
And my bills them pay and my little thing pay me. You make me all have the AC in the house cool and nice. No, man, you're a good man, man. Renee, if you back with you, me tell her. Me tell Renee, say, if you not there back with you,
so,
don't call me mama no more.
So, Is it because I can provide AC and all those
No,
things that you
man.
love me?
No. Me love you because you're a good man. You're good.
Yeah,
Otherwise, on the
but
money, you have nice ways. You have nice attitude. Your attitude about you, me like it. Stefan, cut your bullshit. Money or no money. Me want you back in my daughter life because you're a good man. You're a good man for my daughter. You understand me? You're a good man. I mean, not talk with water and my mouth. It'll come from my heart. And anything coming from your heart is positive. And Master God up in heaven, see the truth and the lie me I tell. Me love you as a son-in-law and me love you for my daughter. And that's why from the other day, me sung and me a reason with her. Me say, me no care what you want. Tell me, say, me want back Stefan in our life. We want back Stefan in our life. So, me don't know how you feel about it. You understand me? But me and she sing and she reason. So when me want the two of to link up. I want to sing, I want to talk. Me go on no privacy. Me will go away. If you don't want me go away, me go away. You understand me? But all of this will go on. Me never know not because she not tell me not. That girl is a wicked girl enough. Me pick but wicked, you know. Ain't wicked.
Mama J.
How can you just mad that?
Mama J.
Me never know nothing about it. Nothing whatsoever will go on. Me feel someone just take a little break. You know, because things now work where it's supposed to work. So now take a little break from each other.
You know what?
Me never know.
Mama J. It was nice seeing you here.
Yeah. Take care of yourself.
I don't think I'm going back there. Right? I have some plans now, you know. Now go back down to my little place and make some decent plans, you know? But we talk.
We'll talk.
Yeah, man.
We'll talk.
I don't think I go back there, so I talk, yeah?
Yeah, we'll talk. We'll talk. Definitely so.
Anyway,
We'll talk.
I'll buy you a drink one of them time, yeah?
Yes, man. When the time is
We'll
right.
collect the money and,
Yeah.
you know?
When the time right, you hear?
Yes. Yeah, later,
All right,
yeah?
take care of yourself.
Yes, man.
Boy, this a boy look like he hard in the heart, you know. But me not worry myself, you know, because we will get you. You could have fly high, fly low, we will get you. You think he'll get you from me? You have to come back to my daughter. You have to come back here, so boy. All wrong with you? You not hear about me? Please.
Focus on your babe. Switch, hit the flip. I'm in control. Bottom. Oh, is your face. I'm pushing fate. Wound up. Screams make the scenes. Hold up. What you doing to me? Slow is the pace. Keep it steady. Breathe in. Feel it now, baby. It's heavy. Switch, hit the flip. Hold up. What you doing to me? We get it right every time. Plays out better than what's on my mind. We could blame it on the signs, but the stars have no say in our vibe. An audience best believe standing ovation. No, they won't hit it, not like me. That's a sensation. I'm real close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, I'm not ready. Let me focus on you, babe. Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Bottom, oh, it's your face, I'm pushing fade round up. Screams and make the scenes, hold up. What you doing to me? Oh, slow is the pace, keep it steady. Breathing, feel it now, baby.
Yeah, man. Auntie Mary. Me I come like now, you know. But me not remember which bus to take. Oh, the blue and purple, the one we always in the middle of the. Oh, okay. I wish me come off again. Can me forget a long time, you know, really. Come them places. Yeah. All right. Now come now, you know. And listen, when I come here, have some reason for do because I want something to go roll him. So he can't go left, he can't go right, he can't go forward, and he can't go backward. You understand what I say? He have to come back to my daughter. The boy have money. All right, me I come. We come, we finish talk. All right, me I come now. Okay.
What mommy I call me forget? Yes, mommy. Me one of my friend there. What happened? You want to talk to me in a private? No, some mommy I could have what happened now. Alright, me the home. Come. Alright.
What's up?
What you want, mommy? You reach fast though. Like I did near.
Yeah, me did nearby. That's why I call for make you know say if you're gonna no leave the house because me I come. Alright. All the
Wait a moment. Why a problem with me? Because I'm me and my friend there as me tell up on the phone.
What friend?
My girlfriend man, cause her man, she and her man in an argument. And me have to put her up for one night. So
The direction and everything in there. On the
the direction. Jesus! Mommy, what that?
What's wrong with you?
Mommy, what?
Just do it. Just do
What
it.
kind of rubber?
Just do what you have to do. We want him back.
Mommy, you're going too far now.
Me say
mommy,
me
man.
want him back. I'm here looking at the dollars. Dollar sign. You know.
Mommy say you go out of your way.
You don't want to go to England. I look for your auntie. Your auntie's sick. She's up on her dying bed.
Mommy, listen to what me say now. And listen to yourself keenly. What you tell me to do. What me to do with that? Like what really? You come on me yard, left all the way from over your yard. Come here, so. I tell me to perform voodoo.
I know voodoo.
And what then? Them the rubber
This
sitting
is
there.
not voodoo. It's luck, blessing, joy, and peace when you do this.
Mommy, give me this. So what me for really do with this now, mommy?
Follow the direction.
Follow the direction and what gonna happen?
You'll see. I don't know bad me I tell you for do. Me not tell you for kill nobody. Just follow the direction and you'll see what happen. You know see what me I see and you know pray what me I pray, you know. Me I pray like 20 more years later when we can't go. We have money in the bank. Nobody can chat to it.
Mommy, all about money and that
It's
with
not
you.
about money.
And they say money is root of all evil.
It's happiness, joy, peace, love, and me I live good. You see, you not pray the thing the way me I pray the thing. You not see what me I see. Because youngest can see from yourself to this so. Me see all the way over there so. Yonder. Back
Mommy,
way
you
down.
put me on one spot right now, but it's alright, you see?
Just help yourself.
Me can't even start. When me start this, because I remember say my friend there and me can't make the girl know
Then I know my problem when the girl there. Me look out for your future. So tell your friend, go here. Tell her to take the step in. Take the step in and go. Me not give a fart if in there. You know if you got enough for my problem. My problem is you. If you know so my pitney happy. Where me never get from for your pooper. You have it in your hand, girl, and you play a fool with it. You play a monopoly. And we wrong with your girl. You know see money. You know see money all when you can't go. Money dead there. Tell the girl get a step in. You want me going to go tell him to get the step in?
No.
You know what your mama do, right?
Go on. Me sort out it.
All right. Follow direction. All right. Call me. Call me, yo. If me not call you, if you not call me, me go call you. If me not hear from you, me come back over here. All right.
No, what kind of mother this, you know? God, no. And then when we're really upset,
Oh,
me
God.
everything what the woman say me fi do, me they do like me an idiot. And if she do me something to, cause see she like care something for me do. No. Not say that about my mother. Me not think she do that.
What you want to go on, me G?
Wait.
Yeah, man, look happy, man. One bag of laughing and sitting.
Them no must happy, man.
Tell us, you must worry yourself, you know, man. If I nothing, if you can link me, you know.
Me alright, man.
Oh,
Me look.
I love that. You look like you're not worried where me see you look more stressed out. You look happy now. Nah, someone want to see you, man.
True, man. Brother,
God, no.
look, I might homeless, but me happy, man.
Not true.
Yeah, man.
The greatest thing that
Really,
man, from
man.
your life, you have everything, you know.
Yeah, man. Me happy, man.
Same,
But,
you see me?
yeah, man. One night time, when things turn,
Yeah.
you see for that, what you do? You see for the 5 bills you give me?
Yeah, I say, man, a simple thing.
I remember you tell me to check you.
From far, you know, man.
Brother, you see for that, what you do? Me not even tell you what me do for you, you know. Yeah?
Me believe you, man.
Look here.
Believe you. How far you come from, you know?
No, man. Listen to me, no, man. Don't worry yourself.
Alright.
A little thing go on for me. And me nah forget you what me say.
You can see it by your looks alone, show you. God, no.
You hear me I say? Me I come find you, Virgin.
Which is right, man.
Me I tell you the truth.
Which is right.
You, I'll never forget what you do for me, Virgin. See?
Good if you live on, you know.
Yeah, man. So, me I move here now. I go the road the same way, you know?
Yeah.
But still like abandoned building I go on easy, you know? Yeah, man.
Time do things, man. You soon lift up from
Yeah,
this,
man. So,
I did us a favor, you know.
yeah, man. So big up yourself. Here.
Alright.
Yeah, my general. Yeah.
Hello, Stefan. What me care go on, so? Me just want to talk to you, you know. Just hear me out, now, please, me, I beg you. Just... Man, God. What is wrong, me, God? Stefan, just talk to me now.
Yeah, some here say boy asleep in a old building, yeah. Alright. Alright, man. Hey, boy, get up. Boy, now you say get up. What's up?
Get up. Alright, let's open, me, man.
Get up. The cash for ticket then.
What this?
Eh?
No,
cash for. Hey, boy, cash for ticket. You think I joke me, I make?
But no, cash for ticket, brother.
Boy, ramp with me, you know. Don't ramp with me, you know, boy. You know. Cash for ticket.
No, ticket, brother.
Boy, don't ramp with me, you know. Don't ramp with me, you know. Hey, boy, back off. You don't take man for fool, boy. You say you no win no cash pot.
Me no cash pot, brother.
You don't say you no win cash pot. That one, move. Move, no, man. Come and talk. Hey, boy, you know, back off, me say. Wanna take man for you that round there.
Man,
hey, boy, you said me no find a lot of ticket.
Yes.
A problem here in a youth.
Yes, no lot of ticket, brother.
What kind of rubbish to me, boy?
I just believe me homeless, brother. I have to ask for.
Alright, take off your shoes. Come know you have a cash for the lot, you know.
see them, I know, I win none of that. I didn't win just for one time, but...
Now there's something in here, I know. Where that a ticket, brother? They say I come back. They say I come back, I'm gonna get a lot of ticket. Yo, matter of fact, carry a lot of ticket, come give me, you know.
Yeah.
You hear me say, I say, no, you're gonna get, you know. You hear me say?
I have no lot of ticket, man.
Boy. Sorry. Let him come back.
There's no question. I need you, what you doing tonight? It's my patience. Keeps you calling me back every time. Your body's beating, I can feel it in your energy. We go deeper than the others, it's our chemistry. You're too close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet.
Yes, Renee. Alright. Now I'm gonna give you a check then. Yeah, Later. I'm gonna give you a check later.
Yeah. Stefan, I don't like how you deal with me and I don't like how you answer me. Listen, I need to talk to you in person because the phone thing now work. Yeah. So you can check me. When? Later? I go the home, you know. I go the home so you can forward.
Yeah. Alright.
No, they won't hit it, not like me. That's the sensation. I'm real close, you're making it hard for me. No, not yet, I'm not ready. Let me focus on you, babe. Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Bottom, oh, it's your face, I'm pushing big round up. Screams and make the scenes, hold up. What you doing to me? Oh, slow is the pace, keep it steady. Breathing, feel it now, baby, it's heavy. Ooh, switching the flip, hold up. What you doing to me? Switch, hit the flip, I'm in control. Bottom, oh, is your face?
Hold on. You can sit down?
Yeah, man, you can sit down. You're gonna make a new tea,
No,
please.
listen, no. We new now because remember it's your home, the court. The court gave it to you, so you're officially the owner.
Yeah.
So even though me buy this, me ask if we can sit down.
But wait, what do you eye? That's like out there so dark, I couldn't even see it. What wrong with your eye?
Something look like it with my eye?
Your eye look one way.
No. You know, my trip and drop.
You trip and drop.
Yeah.
I don't know if you was a clumsy person.
No, but I don't know. We just step over a stone and drop.
Alright. If you say so.
Anyway, what you say you want to sing for now?
We just want to talk over things.
Serious? So many months now, and you just put thought into it?
I've been put thought into it, you know.
After you jog me through the court like that, and the court say, you must give me half of the money with the car, and you sell the car and not give me no money, all of a sudden. So, I don't understand. This is so puzzling, like, trust me.
Listen, Stefan, I'm not going to expect you to understand.
You hear anything about me, like, I don't know?
No, what me hear about you? And I like say, me that communicate with your people, them or nobody feel. Me just there and me just...
As a matter of fact, don't tell me people them say me homeless. Don't tell them, because they don't know. Me I go just pretend like everything did alright, because them I go literally think say something, everything did alright with me. You see, in the next couple of days, them I go think say, me did good. See them like everything did alright, I'm never homeless.
What you mean?
Alright. One of them should I tell you though. Keep them out, you know. I don't know you as a chatterbox. Right? But
right.
Renee, you know some win a lot.
You know what?
You look on a millionaire right now. Multi
I prank me, right?
Alright, prank. Go on your phone right now. Go on Google and check out the last letter jar. Go on it right now. All you look on. Thank you.
Me never have no idea, you know. No idea, me never have. Try my laugh.
Me know say you never know. Look here, me know say you never know. I know. But what I'm saying, look how God work. Look how he work out. You look like say this, all of this did happen. Look here, you know what I think? You know why I come back really? I sit down in a little place there. I want mine, I say, yo, go on back to Renee, because if you never put me out, I would win the lotto. So it's like that have happen, wait, this happen. So me just truly believe say we will get back together with you. So listen, tomorrow morning we are go, me know you sell the car and give me money.
Alright, Stefan, please.
Listen
me
up,
don't want you to dwell in the past.
Me not dwell in the past.
It's like me did stress out. I never miss, like, you ever do something I regret it? Like, me regret it every day of my life. Me regret it every morning. Me wake up every night. Me lonely in here. For your girl, me not have another man. It's like me not see no other man right now in my eyesight.
Then why you really do it? One of the reasons why I come back to, I want to know why you do it. Why you do it?
I wish I could have tell you. Like, I wish I could have tell you, but it's not so easy to talk.
You know, listen to me. Renee, I love you so much. And I know it's hard to overlook, but a lot of couples, them gone through worse than even what we're being through, right? And trust me, I'm willing to take another step with her. So you see, tomorrow, want more to follow me. Go to town for the headquarters, collect the money.
So how will I reach?
You know, have no money can charter a taxi or something. I'll give it back to you.
Alright.
Yeah, so we'll collect the money and we're going to start with life. We're going to look here. We're going to lick down all of this. We're going to build up a mansion.
Well, that was a dream from day one, you know.
Right. So the dream come true. That have to happen to this happen. What happened to us?
I'm really sorry. Like, I'm sorry. And I know no matter what I say, I know you're not going to forgive me. You're not going to, even if you forgive me, you're not going to forget.
I totally forgive her, but I'm not going to forget, you know. And listen to me. You see your mother? Next time something happen like this, you need to tell your mother, because you never tell your mother. You need to tell your mother things. You need to start talking to your mother, because your mother is a nice lady. And she is one of them why me there back, because she talk to me, she reason with me, and I feel loved. Trust me. Alright? So. I'll look up this ragging, so I'm going to go have a shower and then come back.
Alright.
Put on a movie now. I'm going to chill back and watch a movie, right?
Alright, no problem.
I'm going to be there. You have any food on?
Yeah, man, I have food.
Alright, I'll come.
Why? Come me get rid of one good man out of my life. But no, what me I gonna do?
Maggy. Hey! Squeak! Hey! Baby donkey go a hee-haw. Donkey go a hee-haw. Donkey bring me one. Donkey bring me one. Anything we go down until top of seesaw. Anyway, you see the donkey, so me not care. Me not travel upon no country bus. Me not travel upon the donkey. Why? School. Me not travel upon no. Hey, yes, what that country boy? Not no nice like when I travel upon the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you. Why? School. Come donkey. One. Why? Drink some water now. Tap a river now. Why? School. Me not travel upon the country bus. Me not travel upon the donkey. Hey, brrr. Aye, oi, brrr. Easy now, donkey. Oi.
Sumba, sunda da da dumba. Valley follow, mountain pass slow. This place my home, I'm not alone.
Oh, late.
Everything alright?
Yeah, man, so far.
Boy, I walk down the whole place. Me no know. Like somebody a try run just me. Me see them a throw something on the grass them and now. Them a turn brown. Me can't get no work. Watch that. Me have the machete rusty. You know get chop nothing yet.
You know, sir.
And you know, so really and truly, between me and you, me no want to chop up somebody, you know. Want chop bush, want chop grass, want some work. You know, no.
Yeah, man, you know, so me know a man up here with a donkey cart. Where man look somebody to work for him.
Yeah. You have my number?
Yeah, no, me can't take your number.
But when would I get to work?
Me not.
Immediately?
You call him, yeah, immediately you get it. You just call him.
All right. Take my number.
All right.
I'll make the link. 825 1926. Even now, me know no man call me. So you go call me and tell me, give me direction to where the man is, so I go do the work. You get that thing? Cause nobody when me talk to, no say go and work there for me. So we rate you know. You know the free can give me drink. No free in there?
Yeah, man, you can't get on soda.
No drink soda no. More time I take it stove. Yeah, yeah, so you go nice. When we get to work, we check your back and yeah. Let me get dragon. But you say a sure thing.
Yeah, man, a sure thing.
Come on, don't get the dragon stone.
I just me and me donkey. I'm a whole time friend. I just me and me donkey. I'm the whole time friend.
I do some work this morning, you know.
Don't be a fool, Danny boy. Stick to the rules and make your father proud in a dying grave. Your father was a very good man, full of integrity. In all that you do, remember, don't tell anyone. This must remain a secret. Temptation will come your way, but you can't afford to lose this, Danny boy. Not for fame, love, nor for any praise. Do the right thing and focus.
Thank you, Jimmy. Now take your advice, man. Alright? Yeah, man. Come in. You're late, man.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Yeah.
Alright, so.
The door river, man. You know? Build up, man. That's clean up. So that's how I want, you know.
Alright, you are going. The farm are really gone bad. So we are going to see if we can clean up the farm because I just deal with their way.
No, man. It's simple thing, you know. We can't catch up your back like you want to know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Simple thing for master, man.
So, we carry out, you know.
Oh, you know, say I left you for here, I don't remember, man.
Yeah, man. So, what we are doing now, we'll start from around there, so. Round the side there.
Yeah.
Weed out the side and come back round.
Man, that's a good thing, man. See potato, they must spring up here now, you know.
Yeah, man. But we get to work now.
Yeah, man, I'm ready now. Alright, I'm going to start, you know, for people.
Why son of tea, man?
The papaya, them a cook, man. They only want rice, you know.
Yeah. Cool, man. You joke upon them.
Well, we don't hope up this, you know.
So you're married there?
Sweat up, man. I feel home here, home, man. Come here.
You're good, you know, brother. This is son,
Yeah, come on, wait. Yeah, man. The papaya, them a churn, man. But yeah, one more thing. You know, plan to sell Lucy?
Brother, you can't sell the people them woman ag.
They not gonna know that. All you have to do is just kill you and skill.
No, not upon that. Wait, who the brother? No work where I work, sir.
Oh, I'm going back and work. Right, do that, dude. Sorry, you know, understand. All right, I'm going back and do my whole job.
You know, upon them thing, the brother. Work where I work. Can't deal with people, sir, brother. Next thing we go do that here, say we are chickster. Eh?
You all right?
And nobody no want to support the business. You know, Timbo. We could go over the next farm.
Dan, you can't take a break sometime.
Hold on, man. Remember, brother, people want to make it in a life, we have to work hard.
Yeah, but
by the sweat of your bro, you shall what?
You shall eat bread, but sometimes you can't eat crackers too.
No, man. But a bread don't want. A crackers too tough. Life done tough already, you know.
I'm not sure that, man, but... Well, as I say, work hard if you want something in life. Man. Believe in you. So.
Go over the next farm, go get the food for tomorrow. Because remember, you know, when you go to the market, we want no food to sell, so could go over the next market, go get.
So we have to carry over this time, right?
Could go over the next, eh?
We have to carry over.
No, left it.
Thank you, Jesus.
Hold on. Where are you married at?
No, man, make that channel and done. Right now, I'm not doing business with that, you know. God knows. We know what me and not done.
There's the water.
Rough. Hold on, man. You have to move so fast, man. I got it done. I can't reach every morning late. Like, see, man. If you're so young, the boy, that's it.
All right,
sir. Philip, what name I teach you do? You're going to teach me one day, you know.
All right, sir.
So, put a melon one mango there. You can see?
No, not time for that, no, man.
Well, I see the lady, old lady always want mango, you know.
Sure. Hey, them food I got sell, man, you know, brother.
I tell you.
Them pretty, man.
I go on, you know. And money you want to try to make, you know. As I say, by the sweater you bro, you shall have bread. I know good the man, you know, man. All right, tell you. Hey, pull on the done.
So you couldn't tell me, man.
Done,
make
man.
Make it on, so we unload them.
Yeah, man.
Put them on the bar there.
Pull on.
Yeah.
All right.
So 7 o'clock in the morning.
So 7, yes, I'm not late this time.
7 in the morning.
No fret. Money this ain't no, so I can't late when I have money.
Right.
Only two I did the farm still, and I did have to take my practice.
Now run a pattern now. Look more.
Yeah, you run a boat. I can link you later.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Food for eat, you know. Down there.
You're late again, man.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that one. Sorry about that.
See much later.
So I said, ready, you know?
Boy.
I yesterday me do one weed out some more time. I said, I said, sure.
Alright, come in.
Tired and hungry, man.
We'll do what we are doing then.
The donkey down the yard, right?
Yeah. We are going to market. Water. We don't have to long as say no.
Tell you, you know. You see? All the Congo peas are dry up.
Come on.
We need... You know, man. All in hallelujah. You know what I'm saying? Dan. Wouldn't mind the color they can sperm up fast, you know, man.
Boy.
You know why I use no chemical? Why?
Boy, I'm not the funny pesticide thing, you know, because them things are pipe.
Yeah, but it's going faster, make money faster.
You don't understand?
Want to get rich fast, you know, man. You know I'm poor, man. You can't manage it. You think sardine and them they are good food every day. Your brother did pay for a bunch of banana?
No, not yet.
Tell him they need to trust him, man. Tell you. But now I'll get the money.
More come to man. Yeah, man.
Man.
I know, this I know for a PD.
Thank you, Jesus.
We go up on the market side.
You know, Lamar, you say that you a time to make money, but a time to skin teeth.
Youth and youth. Afternoon. Youth and youth.
Afternoon, Rastafari.
Uno good?
Yeah.
Alright. Here what me say different to you now. Me I try find a virgin named Dan. You know? He have a donkey cat. Cause there's plenty Dan. Me not thought Dan have one. Me said Dan, we have a donkey cat. You know the virgin?
Yes.
Alright. We party and live.
Let us walk on your list.
Alright. When I pass back, if you're not there, we not get something here. Buy us some bag juice or something. Alright? Big up on yourself.
Man, nothing bad do.
You're no man yet though. So you drink bag juice and okay, your boy.
Nothing bad do.
Alright. Me think what you want? Jack and stout?
Me a yai rum.
Alright.
Yeah, tell me that boy, you know.
Yeah.
Look, man.
You see that Anna pot plant there? But they want chop in?
No, I'm not chopping it, man. I want it to start turn more.
Alright.
One of the coop in them, I watch him in the country for one of them still in there.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Real. Nothing I'm gonna make you now, boy.
Straight to market.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that me can't understand now how them a young boy and I want to work, you know.
Like that, me tell you.
And we don't know old man and we are work, so. Eh?
Like that, boy, you know. Danny rough.
Yeah, man.
Right, you know, I don't know if Prime Minister how did them hoodlump, you know.
I tell you, boy, because some of them don't want to work, you know. You know, them a mix up some people like unemployment rate. Some people out of that now are working. Some percentage out of that now are working.
I don't lie. Two them fit say we a farmer. Them fit say we not bright.
So I think they should have one sitting with them call him no one rate too. I lie.
That would all right, you know.
Mix up all people who are working, you realize.
What about farmers rate? What about farmers rate? How much can get more money to?
Sunda da da dumba. Valley follow. Mountain pass through. This place my home. I'm not alone.
Where I go? Check off the pattern is in there, man.
Thank you. All right. Yes, Billy. Dan, how much time you say you guys come to clean up your place?
This morning if you come in.
This morning? What's the time? A good young man.
The morning I bucket them. The morning I bucket them come.
All right. Okay. Man, I take too long, boy.
You soon.
What time we are going to mark it, by the way?
Soon push out. So feed you them first. Yo. Do you the pot?
You know, we have a pint.
You must say we have to eat something. You know.
I'm hungry right now.
Wagwan, youngster.
There.
What your name, sir?
My name Jovan.
Jovan. My name Fire, right?
Yeah.
Me a check for one bridge named Dan. We have a donkey card. You know him?
Yeah.
What part he live?
I live around this one. Yeah, I go past one big tree right there, so a mango tree. Then I go right around there, so I go see be a dog, and then I go down on a hill, and then I see a yard.
Me a good on one hill?
Yeah. And then
So me a go up on hill first?
No, yeah, go down on a hill first.
As me grow on the corner, me a go down?
Yeah, and then
I don't go down, man. Is there a way for me to walk up on hill?
Yeah, I go up on a hill.
You're confusing, alright. You're good though.
Yeah.
Alright, me go figure it out.
Yeah.
I got to find this man no normal.
Hold on, man. Wait now.
I want to get trouble. Come in, Dan. Come. Come. Ready?
Where's the food ready?
Yeah, man. Food ready, man.
Hungry now, boy.
Man, take long at all. Where bread?
Bread in our bag, man.
Couldn't buy slice bread, man.
This you can't afford.
Well, at least.
How are you next spot?
No juice.
Yeah, man. Cheers, no man.
I just me and me donkey and me old time friend.
See, donkey cat, so. Dan! How you name Dan? Come up. Forward, man. Listen me now. I now come no further, you know. That scent here smell like hog. No. How about that? I know hog. Come up, man. No, yeah, tell me, sir, I go there, eh? That big old white something there, so. Rasta. Around here, somebody want you to clean up. Nothing in the hog pen. Listen me now. Around here, so. Rasta burn a fire upon a hog pen. Me no go round hog. Me no. Imagine I eat it. You not eat the hog. Listen me now. How you coming to eat in argument? I come for work, but I don't work in a pig pen or pig surrounding. I clean up the area. Listen me. Get somebody else clean up that. Me not clean up hog pen. I tell you. Rasta. You hear me I say? And in the one you clean up and around it. Listen me. Me not clean round hog pen or round hog. Oh, you make money? Listen now. No worry about me making money. Right? Worry about cleaning up on a hog pen on yourself. A fire Rasta put on a hog pen. Listen me now. When you call I, you call me for work. Yes! Yes, but you have to clarify. Say you a hog man. Alright, hear me I say Rasta. If you tell you me. Yeah, tell me say you a hog man so me know say. What do you say Rasta? Well, now you know, and Rasta, now I go. What kind of work you do? I clean up bushes, I chop bush. Exactly. Yeah, so but I don't chop bush around hog pen. Rasta, I don't like your style, man. Let me tell you something about style. The style you have no good, right? You must try, you know, so you tell people from the beginning, say hog pen cleaning. You know what I tell him? So hear me I say no, differently from that. I now have to do them work, I know. I have 14 subjects. That's why I now go shave up and go work in the Babylon institution, you know. All right, I'm telling you that. Hey, Rasta, first subject. I'll tell you one thing. You're right, you know. See your bread butter on the 5 side. I hear side bread and Rasta. What tell you, you think that somebody saying something I can't come here, man? Rasta don't want to work, brother. Right. Get that boy the side of the work for you, can't chat too much. It's alright. Make him yam down the grass them. Alright. Why? We have got to clean up ourselves. Alright, I'm going to check on the donkey and come. Alright, then I'm going to mash up. I'm going to mash up everything now. Oh, Rasta come piss me off. Jimmy, we are about to go in town. Where we can go to make a good sale.
Go in town. When you go in town, a lady in a red dress is gonna come and spend a big money with you. Right by the supermarket.
Thank you, Jimmy. Ah! Run the bird for man. Oh, you know, laminate piece of bird. Ready now, ready. Yeah, we are going town. Alright. Yeah. Lucky gate now, man. Right, you can't come out. You can't come out, man. Remember I say them pen up in them pen, you know. Them good, man, them good. Alright. Going in town. Are you lose him? Everything needs to sell, right? Yeah, man. Two of them. Yeah, man, tell us. I'm going to do some sales today, no?
So we're going out town, we're going to market, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Like this one, I look. Oh, no.
You know, so you shut out somebody window. Shoot
No,
out somebody
man.
window.
No, shoot at somebody in there, man.
You feel say?
I tell you, sir, we need more donkeys like this, you know? Right. Easy, top him, listen.
Alright.
I want to park up yesterday.
Alright, you want to go?
What that?
One lady, I go come spend her money over there. So.
Which lady? Yes.
So,
You don't understand. Every time you tell me something happen, I call it yet.
what you say?
Oh, man. Me want to see. What color clothes you know?
I want to register.
More obviously what I want today.
Well, we're just going to wait.
Cause God know. One know what I want.
Hello? A food in the cell?
Yes, ma'am.
Even.
Hello.
Me can get one bunch of banana, Irish onion and then some soup there.
Tie down, kid, so sorry.
How are your partner?
No, man, I'm alright. Alright. Ah, they want to soft, you know.
You sure?
Come on. Where's the one?
Want everything we have in the bag here.
Whoa, sure. Alright, so I'm just going to put the banana in this and give you.
Yeah. How
Right?
much for everything?
Pumpkin and everything there. Irish, everything.
Yeah.
Alright. 5,000. Thank you very much. Alright, so I can't get the bag, but me I go to another supermarket and get a bag for you, right?
Alright.
Go over there.
Yeah. Thank you.
Well done. You can. You can go market and have a dance. Nobody can know. Nobody can know. One.
Ready?
Come on. Ready.
Hello, hold on. See that?
Yes, I'm
Alright, where are you going?
in the car.
That car right here.
Can put it in the trunk.
Wait, yo. Hey, donkey cat, man. Yo. How you doing, man?
Yeah,
Hey, no, babe, come easy. Yo, come on, man. I talk to them. Yo, where the woman? Eh? No, yo. When you say woman in the boss,
I help her with that. See, what is man?
yo, look what this, sir. You see this, sir? That means to leave that woman alone.
I help
Whenever you see her again, yo, babe. Hold on, man. What kind of money so make a touch you? Donkey cat money sign up. No, listen to me. No, babe, let's go. Babe, let's relax. What do you mean no arm? Yo, take for yourself, man.
Yo, what we have to do, Bretton?
Yo, look at this. Kick that away, man. You kick in your face. Come here, talk. Yo.
No, babe, Jesus.
Hey, boy, move yourself. Man. Babe, let this go in the car, man. Go in the car, man. Yeah, make donkey, man. I carry some truck. On head fun and donkey, man, you know.
Hello? Oh man, don't do me anything, man. I'm okay. Yeah, leave him alone. Alright. Yeah, thanks.
When I'm thirsty, you know, over the moment. What going mother now? They good?
Yes, man. Me alright, man.
Yo, what I'm thinking of getting done my thing.
Why, thank you. May God bless you and keep you. May your storehouse basket never go empty.
Thank you, man. I
You
appreciate
know,
it.
you don't have no joke.
No, man.
Make sure none of them no line up.
I want you good, man.
Alright, me one. Alright.
Get that, yeah?
Alright, just have yourself.
Yeah.
My why that you know.
I don't like where today. You never did have to beat up me with stuff. You just still a try for help. You just there in the car, you see me I come up with the buckle and I do nothing.
Hold on. You know, say, some things you have to see I'm blind here and there because you don't understand. You understand circumstances. What are talking? Hello? Yeah, man. Everything good. What? No, Chief. No. And that is it. Alright. Later, I fall in our work. We'll talk about it. Alright?
Oh, what okay.
I wonder if I become beat up, eh? The brother. This will cause a problem. Supervisor calling and tell me, say, be careful. Don't you care about nobody. No work, nothing alive. How you feel? I know how you feel like, say, you gotta make certain people help you, because you make me look bad.
So, when they say you have something for, reason about when we reach at work. Yeah, man. Watch you know. We get this order and it'll come from up at the extreme top, When I say extreme top, I mean it'll come from the higher rankers. And right now, the man them say whatever it is that you do, you have to stop and desist from it. Me? Watch you know. I want me hear and I want the people them tell me. Whatever it is you're doing, because I never ask them that. The man them even stay up on the phone long enough to tell me nothing. The man them just say, tell me second, to stop what I do, because it attract too much attention. It attract some heat, unnecessary heat what we don't want. So I say, alright bossy, and I hit that.
Alright. But me I say to you, still see, more when you get them phone call and, like you say, boy, yeah, get the higher calling from Brady. You ever see the boss yet?
Why I'm a general.
You ever see the big man yet? What claims my big man, the whole operation, everything?
Watch you know. Never yet put a name to the face in my G. I don't know how this man look. I don't know what to tell you about this man, but all me know is when time orders come,
bossy orders them ever concrete. And some of them miss pan up my G. The man never you tell me nothing and it no gossip.
So, me I wonder still, see, in a case like this, what could I go wrong make them a call you and tell about me just like that? Eh? Brother, it's not like some I do my job and my job not always effective. Eh?
Hear me I say no man. It's not what you do still, you know. It's probably how you do it. I remember say them man they have eyes all around the streets. So them think they can cause one whole heap of little things where we not see. They might get bigger than we pay grade, you know. So we have to just know what we are do. We have to just work in silence, my general, and keep things on low profile.
But me I do that because I don't want to go to jail.
No, we don't want
Me
to
is
go
not
jail.
a person for, and on my profile, that, bro.
Well,
everything we I do is
hear me
business.
say. The man
You
say,
know
I
what I mean?
tell you a thing, and I tell you a thing. So, do what you will with that, you know. Or just so the thing set right there, so.
Alright. Yeah. I don't hear that. So, what we pan around?
You don't know, man, on the call where wait pan, man. Call supposed to jump in shortly, man. As soon as the call jump in, you don't know. We'll make a move and go do a rounds, you see it?
Alright, so we're going to wait.
Police, put your hands to the window.
Yo,
Put your hands to the window.
Yo, so what I'm doing next, brethren? Yo, and a me one in that vehicle.
What should I call me for? Girl, me soon reach. Me the right round that corner here, so. Stop doing your credit. Alright. Good evening, Miss Mer.
No, don't your car. She's sleeping.
I know, girl, I'm stressed out.
Yeah, you always stress.
No, but for real, nursing school has stressed me. Pharmacologist, psychology, as
That's why I'm asked you?
Right now, I want homework. They just said me or something.
I understand. But me I say for that stuff last year.
Yeah, I'm kind of busy.
Well, I miss you and you need to come around so I can help you. Mostly. Well, me can't help you.
Anyways, let me tell you what I come up here for. I'm stressed out. I never start from the so. What me say, your man get locked up.
Well, you ain't get locked up from that.
So, I want to go to cast that I donkey cat on an him that
No, you're right to know, man. We're starting position of flower or more than one flexibility. So, and then the bank account, and I will give you the information you need.
As somebody tell me, but they want to say them kind of money that your man did a draw.
Well, yeah, I know.
I ever talk about the donkey cat, man. If me have a man like that, I will out for him, girl.
Well, you know, David, him abuse bad and the donkey cat man, in the name that don't call it that. The donkey cat man, he's a very genuine person. Like, he's way better than a
donkey cat man, anyway.
He was a donkey cat man. Yeah,
my mama donkey cat.
His name Dan. Dan? So Dan?
Donkey cat man.
Anyways, so, in way better than David. David just, we can't make limit with you.
Me rather go through the abusive rich relationship than if you go through the broke relationship. I rather the ball on a yacht than a cat.
See, you can agree with yeah, man, I can agree. You can agree. You will stick to that. Me, I tell you, Dan is way better in cheap mode, way better. The guy just like in the supermarket and the horses don't go and can't start because the man. What for cause that? This is a big embarrassment. If you know me, you feel like I don't really care about going in the car, going in the car, you know everybody starts.
The thing said that they they are jail now.
No, yeah, you're not going to be able to. And the picture for it.
So get liar or something?
Honestly, I don't know. I'm really care, like, my focus there. Over that. Because me like
That's good, but You man have more money than that, the donkey cat boy then.
You go too far. You're past the place now. You cannot do that. We are come from too far. For me to do something like somebody else telling man's boy.
What in
Limits. I know that though. What that? What that say?
Buckle friend.
That girl, you go too far.
I don't like him.
It does not matter. It don't matter. Me like him. And when you meet him, you get.
Anyways, I can't go long because I get homework right now. I have to go finish up some biology and chemistry.
Give me a hour, so I can go next to what can we do today? You just come up here with your bag of that stress. What?
That smell nice though.
Dan!
Yo!
Come on, man. What's the time?
I put up my bed better.
Time, you say 7 o'clock, come man. And 9 to 7, come.
Ah, voila.
Tired, man, tired. Dan!
You say me I come, brother, hold on, man.
Come in, man. You see it?
Boy. Boy, front door nearly pop off last night, brother. I not open it.
No, man, listen, man. 5 minutes left before 7 o'clock, man.
The door nearly pop off.
We don't pay attention to that. You tell me 7 o'clock, I hit me a work off an
Come, take a sit down, man, tap a chatting. Hey, man, I mash up a sit down, man.
Yes, man. Wait.
It's a one of us, brother. Over there now. Why not easy, no, brother?
Wait. You come tell me that you did really heavy. Eh? Boy. I'll do that. There you go. There you go. Okay. No, man.
You are going. We'll feed the them and then we push out. See?
No problem. Next time, let's tell 7 o'clock, we are going to market to start feed the them from 6.
Wash your face, man.
Huh?
Man, I have to wash your face. Water, man. Wash your face, man.
Wash it right now, I have a problem with it.
Wash your face, man.
I tell you.
Matter in the man. Tell you, man.
I don't be there, no member for wash your face. Sometimes, I'll even for wash your face in there, we don't come so sometimes, they're still in there.
Yo, they just like that, I sweat already, brother. It's so nothing, man.
Come, you say 7 o'clock?
Oh.
I'm money more going to make right now.
Come on, yeah, man. We're not wasting no time.
Yeah. We want rich, you know, man. We want some money.
Yes, richer than Elon Musk.
Not really, you know. I just want some money, you know. That's why I don't keep woman in my yard because you're not going to make me give no money. So you see some of them woman, yeah?
Yeah, alright, man. We need my family. We're not next.
Dan, you can't talk about family in a state.
Listen, my son, in the next 5 years, if you come and come see us, full off a little bit. Yeah.
In a bowl house, same way.
Oh, yourself, man. Come on.
You see how the man woman are talking nowadays. If you don't have money, they don't want you.
Easy.
And you look at market money can't help you. No banana, no mango. Come out. Get the kind of get it. We are going to market. Young banana. Over here, right there. Nothing there. Yellow. Chip. Get the kind. Yellow.
Thinking to.
What you feel,
We not talk about no country, but we not talk about no people. Thinking to there. Yes, we're not country, boy. No man nice like when they talk about the donkey, no. I'm my son to tell you. Everything there, people. Everything there. Come donkey.
Yeah, young banana, dashing and guaco.
Drink some water now.
Yellow.
Tap a river now. Go on there. Hold on, I'm going to get a drink, yes, no?
When I talk about special, I'm my shot that, you know. Too special. Too special.
Tell her, brother. So I go and ball it.
Yeah.
Really, I go up on the market, you know?
Yeah.
You alright, though?
I like it.
Real.
All right, mom. Let's see again, yeah?
Later, here.
Oh, God. Ah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, boy. You're drunk already, no, boy?
No, man. I just two drinking, no, man. I want you taking, you
Yeah, because I drink with caution.
Yeah. Yam banana and yeah, cielo. Dashing coco mango. Yam banana dashing and coco. Over here, tip. $200 a pound. Yam, $100 a pound. Cucumber, mango, 300. We are letting it go. Each Indian 100 for one. Everything 100 now. Yeah, look. Get the yam. Coco dash in. Yeah, man, if you want me to tell me one, the color load already come. I said, color load, you know.
Two, man.
I'm going to tell you chemical in the one. You yeah, look. Out the road, tip and clean. No chemical. Yam, banana, dashi, mango, coco, cielos.
Hold on. Hold it. Hold on, you never tell you look tall. Need to give donkey some water for you know. Need to give donkey some water, man. And Auntie Merle no water, you know.
No. I want market to give donkey some water, man. I'm not that right now, you know.
Alright.
I try to find him, I can't find him.
Hey, good day.
Hey, Dan. Come on. You know what? No trouble. Come on. What me say?
Alright.
Is it okay for me to have a word with you?
Dan!
Sure.
Tell me what you want, Dan.
Make a couple.
Dan.
So, I'm so pleased to see you. I truly wanted to apologize about what took place a couple weeks ago. My boyfriend is like that sometimes, you know. So, what's your name again?
I didn't tell him my name. Should I tell him my name?
Yes, I'm trying to get to know you.
Just call me Dan.
Okay, I'm Shanice. No? Okay. So like I said, I just wanted to apologize about what took place a couple weeks ago. We were just trying to help. After all, you're just such a gentleman.
Thank you.
Is it okay if we be friends? No?
Huh?
Is it okay if we be friends?
Oh boy. After what happened?
Yes, is that such a bad thing?
We can be friends.
Okay. Can I have your number?
No?
Why not? Okay, if we cannot be friends, I see that you have stuff, stuff selling and stuff. You have grown provision, my mother like that. So we can support the business.
Sure,
Is that
you can
alright?
support the business, no problem.
Okay, so what's the number?
The number is right there on the card.
So you don't want to give it to you?
The number is there on the card. You can call us if you need one provision.
Okay, no problem.
Hey, brother,
Excuse me.
Timber, a business we are doing. Let's have the number.
Okay, so I'll definitely give you a call. Like I said, I'm really sorry about everything. So
Okay.
expect a call from me.
Alright, man.
Take care.
Brother, we should get going.
Dad,
Hmm?
you know, you know, listen. You're a black and blue, you want my black and blue, you hear again?
Business we are doing.
Dad,
This
whether
session.
business or not, I'd rather not take your money. Eh? You give her your number, you know what that will lead you to? Next thing she in your bed. Next thing up. We don't want to go there, so right?
Brother, I don't want a girl in my bed, brother.
That's how we are saying now that we know when they're interested in somebody. Eh? So, I might bread back if you want top.
Come on, make we go, man. Just go over. Make
Come
some
on,
money.
beg to. Beg to now move. So, you shouldn't move.
Carrot, we have over here, carrot! We have the Irish them too. We have the Irish them over here. Because some of them people here, them a walk up here and I feel them stall alone people a go. Carrot! 500 a pound fee yam! 500 a pound fee yam! Hey, me say, you don't know say, other day I be a little water, me see them at the donkey cart man there, but every day you come here with the donkey, I go and think you can trick people. Them a thief off things off of people farm and come out here. I go and like I say they can't trick you. They can't trick you out here, man. Can't trick we. Irish and yam we have over here. Yeah, start set up nice.
Yo, hey. You hear me over there?
Alright.
Alright with that. Yo, get your way, man, I say.
Alright.
Done. We have to take people things.
Same alright, brother.
Yeah, eat out the profit, man.
So now we do your work.
No,
We
eat
not
out the
eat.
profit. Yo, you know, so me only king and glass. But that's a big stone over there.
Over here, so people, over here, so.
Come over here, so godly food. Don't go over there, so full of.
Ground provision over here, so people. No fertilizer.
Right. We now walk on these people.
Well, come like a mama, man.
Come. Dan, you can't move over there on the king now.
You're fighting a market and a boy.
You can't move over there on the king now.
Love him, love him.
Sweet pepper we have over here. Come from Andrew, let's get them all little donkey, them feel like they rich. They feel like them as somebody true Andrew, let's get them all little donkey. But time come, as soon as Master Mark win, is a Benz we are drive down at this. You can't trick we. When you settle for a little donkey.
No, you soon get where you look for, you know.
I got something there. I got something there. Yo! I'm not for buying nothing from them boy, you know.
Why?
Today they call me and give me work. I'm going to check all of the goods them and I hard fender in there. Everything keep. I got piece for shit. I got piece for shit. Smell them. Look where that's up. Look where that's up. Look where that's up. Try something. Look where me don't pull out this, you know. When me pull out this and me fire, you're dead, you know. Try. Just try something pull out this, yeah.
Why you tell people something, John?
I be a so on have. Be a shit and piece for the mango them. Be a piece and shit for the good them. Oh no buy no fat. Yeah, you can't style, you can't style, you can't style me. Do I go on?
Tell me one about Rasta. Yo, you hear what I say? You hear what I say? And then you go tell that the dirty one over there. You know what that means?
Brother, fight, you have to get fight everywhere. You have to do
We don't like you. We don't like you.
Brother, hold. You have to people try out my own. Relax yourself, man.
Your day soon come. Your day soon come.
Brother, now listen to that. Brother, remember to that man now, man.
Your day soon come. Yeah, it's mango man. Cheap and cheap.
Cheap bills are done.
So we have 200 we can't find us.
Yeah, man, I have someone.
Are you West them there?
Give me. Yeah, back.
No matter what I'm trying, we still have make money.
Money have to make.
Man, short head.
No, man, we have 2 bills when it's saying I'm making 250, you know, so you know
Good.
Come in for the mango there.
Yeah, Lord.
Come in for the mango there.
One bungi.
Hey, where the pan?
See how go. I'm bursting this here. Where you listen there?
Yeah, man, take a listen now.
Yeah, man, it's bad. Yeah, you have green, you know, man. Nobody good. Hey, there, you want to know where you get the color from? That half there. Eh? Nobody good, he good. Good.
Yo, can't do money, so brother.
No, man.
Yo, what I say?
Yo, tell the money too. Man say, yo, yeah, that's my good.
You know, see a son who go on like you want style, man, all the while.
Jay, me say, Dan.
Man, not style thing.
Dan.
No, man, everything good, man, everything good.
Dan, me say that. Dan. Where you do that? And everything good, you talk. No man like his style, Dan. Tell you already, man. Wait till the man, yo.
Virgin, if you have a virgin and you can't tell him the truth and everything.
Sometimes you keep it to yourself.
You put the girl stand in here.
Well, you're right. I'm not saying you're wrong.
If you want vex with it, you vex.
I know you don't make a sale over this, you know. Sale out, $100. A good man, he went to
I sprinkle water.
$100.
Hey. What sprinkle water so and Papa.
Yeah, man, we can go and sprinkle water, but I don't go over here over there and sprinkle. Watch him. Watch him, I walk road. Watch him. Yeah, man, go and walk road. Adios. God, I go strike you over there. $100 market. Yeah, man, go and sprinkle your water, yeah. You no frighten away. $100 market.
Sumba. Valley follow. Sunda da da dumba.
Yeah, today was a good day. So that's the last thing, you know, but where things?
Give God thanks for me killing.
Yam banana and dashing, quokka, over yard. We are still in a year or two. You can't sell out a road, you have to sell few people them too. Yam banana, dashing and quokka. Come on, chief, everything have it done. A pound of yam going for 200 now. Cheaper than when we do a market. Yam banana, mango, sweet and sour mango. Yeah, we are eating the... You eating them done?
Yeah, man, eating them done.
Good evening, Miss Elsie. How do you do? You alright? They can't no mango today, eat on today, no, it's done. Alright, tomorrow.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Alright, let me say this.
Yo, Dan, let me have your son. Let me have your son. I'll take it to you, man.
Easy. Oh.
So, I'm not bother go the way there. So, just start, we can...
Oh.
You know, today was a good day, but you see the rasta there. You see me telling him this will make him come, you see style there today. Huh?
So I go on, man, but I release that.
Uh-huh.
I release that.
So why you always give me more money than yourself?
Or yourself, man. Alright.
You sure?
Yeah, man, I have some money, I'm going to live, man.
Alright. I said nothing.
But I'm going to spend half the money on a rum now.
No, man, just a one drink, that's how we stop. I said, tell me I want kettle beer when I bar me, I pray. You can't go around there and not drink one drink.
You can't work so hard and not spend out the money then, brother.
Me understand, you know, but
anyway,
me not live with no woman, as we say.
Alright, do what you do.
Yeah.
Later.
Alright.
Jack. Hey, Jimmy, I'll take a call. Hold on. Hello? What's up, Shanice? Yes? Just come off the road, you know. I'm going to call her back. Yeah? Yeah, man. Alright. I'll call her back. Yes. Wow. She called me fast.
Hello?
Hi, Shanice, how you doing?
I'm okay, how are you?
I'm done, you know.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, you used to my voice already. And I one time we talked on phone before.
Your number?
Oh, you save it?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, so how was the day?
It was okay.
Oh,
How was your day?
day was great. Just a coming off of the market, you know. Tired and thing, you know.
Okay, well, I'm actually at a service place.
Oh,
It's urgent to see you again.
okay.
Yes, okay.
Yeah, no problem. We can meet up. Where you want to meet up?
Um, Actually, at night, like Are you free tomorrow?
What time?
Maybe 12. No, that's okay.
Oh, so you want to come to my village?
Sure. I'd like that.
You sure?
Can you put me in a little bit?
All right. You see, I live at a place called Grant Bush. You just want to come out the square in Little London and turn up that road. Right. Yeah, man, just come all the way up until you see a sign on the left called Grant Bush is written on that sign, so you can't miss. So from you come there, 12 o'clock tomorrow, I'll meet you.
Alright,
I'm at,
I'm not so familiar with that area, but I'll call you when I'm on my way. You could ask me.
yeah, man, just call me and I'll come out there and meet you.
Okay, so 12 tomorrow?
Go again?
12 tomorrow.
Yeah, man, 12 tomorrow, man.
Okay, so I'm 19 again. I'm excited about tomorrow.
Really? I can understand how your boyfriend just beat me up like that and you just take on to me like that. But what about me like that? I don't know.
I guess I can show you our children tomorrow. My boyfriend had always been like that, a little bit abusive, angry, and some other issues.
Oh, so I'm always abuser.
Not necessarily, but definitely an angry man.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll talk. We'll talk tomorrow. I'll give you a tour in my village.
Okay, I'd like that.
All right, cool.
Make sure to enjoy the rest of the evening.
All right, you too.
Thank you.
All right.
What going Santa?
You are going, sir?
Yeah, for the whole
Yeah, man.
I'm going to go back around.
Yeah, man. And drink your rum.
Woodland Port, yes, sir.
Yeah.
So, just remember?
Yeah. Yeah, give 1 year. Yeah.
1 year. Yeah. One bottle of rum there, no. How are you? Where are you still going on? Santa! Santa! Yeah? You see what Santa? No. Santa, you sure, Santa?
You don't see that hole. I'm going to get that shovel street. You don't see that hole.
Santa, no, I'm not fool, Santa. Santa!
Me not know. Mind the jump.
Me put the hole right there, Santa.
Mind the jump. You don't see that hole.
I'm going to start drink.
But me not know if you drink one buckle in there already.
Well, we never kill that here, no.
Me don't know.
You don't know.
No, for me, no see that hole.
I think you don't tell me, no. All right, yo.
Yeah.
Wait up.
Yeah, man. Talk to man. For me, no see that hole.
Hey, listen to me now, man. You know, we shouldn't get chop no place this morning, yeah?
Yeah.
Or Rasta if you chop it. We could have the market and make some money. Because you have breadfruit I can sell for the tree yeah, already.
That's the same man I want to work, man.
Huh?
You see Rasta man work?
Yo, Dan.
Yeah.
One more thing, come on. One more thing, come on.
Virgin, I work.
Come on.
What you say?
For a serious level. You know, alone, the man woman alone.
So yes, my people, thank you for watching. You have made it to the end of episode 1 of Dan and the Donkey Cart.
Maggy Films.
Maggy.